Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm mounting my spare tire on my trailer for my motorcycle to be carried around, and I bought this. Y'all stick around.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into end. Lone Star Rider.
Guys, I'm glad you stuck around. I bought this on Amazon from a company called Pit Posse. And the first thing I did when I was putting this together, I don't know if you can see it. See the space right there in between this square? I don't know what that's called, but anyway, it goes into here and keeps it from spinning around. Well, the problem with that is there's space in there, and once you bring the nut all the way down, it moves around. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but I don't like it at all. So this is what I came up with. I was almost just replacing the bolt and everything, but I decided to do something different, which cost me 60 cents. Now, Pitbull, as far as I'm concerned, you owe me 60 cents. But see this here, this little washer brings it up to where it's now. Let's get this on here. Flat and level, which I feel a whole lot better about that. So I'm just going to put this washer on here, which came with it. And this was made in the USA, by the way. We're going to put this nut on here. There. Now see, now it doesn't rattle around. Thought I had a lot washer. Guess I didn't. Oh well. All right, so let's put it onto the trailer. I'm going to rivet these here two in. So let's go take a look. Okay. So I've already figured out where I was going to mount it, but I just kind of wanted to take a look at this a little better. So that's good. It's the first time that's ever happened. The first wrench I pulled out fits. This company did send out two different size bolts on lengthwise. They're the same threads and everything. a double check here. Yep, perfect. Go. Yeah, this sucker isn't going to go anywhere. Voila. Done a lot of riveting with the camper trailer, so at least I've got experience on that. It ain't going nowhere. It's done. Just so y'all know, the motorcycle here is still for sale. So if you see this video, share it out. And my contact information and everything is on LoneStarRider.com. Yeah, I need to get this sold so I can get a smaller bike. I'm not getting rid of riding a bike. I'm just getting a smaller bike. So yeah, share the heck out of it. $5 grand for this 2008 Honda Goldwing. All right, well, that wasn't that hard, except for me trying to figure out that washer to make sure that square was level. Otherwise, this was a fairly easy job. The reason I started doing all this was because I needed a spare in the first place, but it wasn't on my list, which it should have been. But one of the tire that I put here, which I have to go get it replaced, has a bubble on it, and yeah, that's not good. I went and bought another tire, wheel, the whole wheel, over at Harbor Freight, just like I did with the other two tires, two wheels and tires, and put it on there. Now I have a spare. I just got to get the tire fixed, but it'll still work as a spare, but I wouldn't want to go very far with that little bubble on there. So anything, I'm happy with it, and let me know what y'all think in the comments. Catch y'all on the road here in Cleburne, Texas. I'm going to have Thanksgiving at my niece's house tomorrow. So happy Thanksgiving.